Welcome back, GSN followers. The point of this video is not a really review video, but it's for this Retevis RA86. It filled a function in my day-to-day. So recently I had my brother, his wife, and kids come visit. They flew into ATL Airport. My wife and I drove and picked them up, came back to my place, and then we planned a Pigeon Forge weekend. So we needed two vehicles. They had two children, we had two children. So obviously the men had to drive. So I drove one vehicle, my brother drove the other one. We don't shut up, so we had to talk the whole time. So we chose not to leave our cell phones on the whole time. What we did was use my GMRS in my Tahoe, which is permanently mounted. And I have that the really nice Midland 5/8 wave magnet mount. And what they had was a little tiny magnet mount on my wife's car and had this little Baofeng UV9G hooked up directly to the coax. We just took the antenna off and put it right to the coax with the BNC connector. And it was pretty clunky, and after a few hours, I was like, this is going to compel me to make a move for my wife's car. So this video is about a quick, easy way to get your wife's car on GMRS. Okay, more getting a mobile mount in your wife's car. So because I wanted to make a mobile mount for my wife, I looked around and I found a really good deal on Retevis's own website. And I found this whole combination with the antenna, coax, and the unit itself was $82.99, free shipping, taxes and all, $82.99, which is better than any Prime Day deals they have now. So I couldn't really turn it down. So this came a couple days later, and I really like the build of it. I'm not really going to review it for you, but I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do with it. It's got a nice little heat sink. I saw the Smokin' Ape did a video on it. It has a really clean signal on it. I like the feel of the mic. It's a one-hander. Got all the buttons. It's a multicolored display. I don't know. All in all, it just looks like a transformer. I don't know. It looks BA. So I really liked it. So far, it's just a little cigarette lighter. It's gonna be a quick and easy mount. I already have another antenna. I'm not going to use this little guy, but it did come with it. And I guess these little discs are 3M backed, and you can I guess put that on a magnet and stick that to the top of something. And it comes with your little mic holder. But I'm going to show you this other quick and easy way to have a little mic holder in the wife's car, so as to not, ruin the nice vehicle that we got her. And there's your little instruction manual, the usual that comes with all the Retevis. But I don't know, I really like it. It really does feel solid aircraft aluminum bottom firing speaker, coax, and then this little adapter for the power, which I will use for now, and it comes with an inline fuse. All right, so let me show you what it looks like in the wife's vehicle. So of course this is my wife's car. I'm trying not to do any permanent drilling or anything crazy that's going to hurt it. So I found this cup holder on Amazon, and it allows you to keep this cup open and this cup holder open. You just put it in there, you twist it, those little wings expand, and then boom, you still got your cup holder and you got your mic holder. I just got an all-in-one mic, but any mic would work, and you didn't glue anything or screw anything into the vehicle. Boom. So we're just going to maintain this low-profile, non-damaging work to my wife's vehicle. So this is all I'm going to do for mounting. I'm trying to use this with one hand. I don't know if I can do it. I might have to do it off camera. Stand by. All right, I just had to rip off this plastic backing off from that 3M tape. And if you can see that recessed outlet in there, it's really, I guess that's a really good idea. You can see it's like a cap on the front of the radio, and it protects the the connection. It's a really good idea. So this is all I'm going to do. I got the tape set up. I'm just going to make sure it doesn't keep that glove box from opening. So I'm going to bring it down somewhere to around here. Okay. And then we're going to plug in the mic. Now the mic's plugged in. I can hang the mic. Boom. And now, like I said, not permanent, but it'll give you 20 watts with a clean signal, multicolor display, one-hander in the wife's vehicle. So I'm just going to hook up this power cord. Let me just unwind it and get my other hand available. All right, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. One of those connections is a circle and the other is square. So squeeze them together. There we go, it clicks. And then this wire, I'll hide it under there. And then, like I said, we can temporarily throw it in the cigarette lighter. Okay, what I almost forgot was the coax. We're going to reach behind there, attach our little coax. There we go. I just needed a second hand. All right, we're tightening our coax up. Ugh. Got her tight. My wife's got one of these vehicles that the car's got to be on for that cigarette lighter to work. Let's see how it works. Nice. Sorry about the noise. There we go. Shush. There we go. It stopped. All right. Look at that bad boy. Let me turn the power on here. Lock. Unlock. I'm always on 18. CTC. That's the volume. It's pretty loud. I didn't hear the best things about its audio, but it's a hell of an upgrade from what I had.
81, wind east at 7. At Cartersville, it was sunny and 95, wind west at 8.
Nice. Menu, power level, high, low, wide banded, thank goodness. CTC 20, squelch, scan memory, mic gain, repeaters, call tone, key tone, Roger beep, box. This is pretty damn loud actually. Backlight. That's a yellow, and I don't know if you could see it through the camera, but it's yellow. Anyway, it's your typical GMRS. I really like this thing. It's pretty sweet. Anyway, check it out, man. I still got the cup holder. She's still got the cup holder down there. It's Velcroed to the side. It's not bad. It's pretty unobtrusive as far as the stuff I have. And then maybe later on down the road, I'll put that to a fuse and do it a little more permanent. But for right now, I think the wifey won't kill me. What do you think, guys? Let me turn it on one more time. CQ, CQ, this is WRJ W871 calling CQ. So what I did was I ran the coax, which was already run, to this. It was on BTEC's website. It's the Nagoya UT72G GMRS antenna. And it's got a nice little spring on there. I don't know if you can see it. So every time my wife leaves the garage, she just hits it a little bit, but it doesn't annoy her too much. Well, I hope you like it, guys. Till next time, I got a lot of projects on the way. Stand by.